Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Najwa Kristina. I will present a thesis about export competitiveness analysis of three leading Indonesian commodities to ASEAN. Next is background. Each country has differences that include natural resources, weather condition, and geography. This triggers a gap between needs and means of satisfying needs for humans. Encourage international economic cooperation for countries to meet their needs with export and import. The relationship between the amount of production and income a country has. If a country has more production of goods, then export will be a potential type of the country. Furthermore, if a country has higher income, the people of a country can potentially buy imported goods or services. Indonesia conduct international trade in the form of export as a form of driving the economy. Since Indonesia is a member of ASEAN countries, this can be utilized by the Indonesian people to provide benefits in the economic path, especially in export. Let's see about contribution in ASEAN Steel Law by 2022. Mineral foods is 7%, animal or vegetable fats and oil 35%, iron and steel 6%. So, factor affecting export is economic distance, exchange rate, and local currency. Export fluctuation and contribution are still low. It is necessary to analyze the competitiveness of Indonesian leading commodity export to ASEAN by looking at the factors input the research. Okay, next is research question and research objective. This is objective to determine the competitiveness in the export of three leading Indonesian commodities to ASEAN. 2. To determine the effect of economic distance on the export competitiveness of Indonesian three leading commodities to ASEAN. 3. To determine the effect of exchange rate on export competitiveness of Indonesian three leading commodities. Next, to determine the influence between local currency on the export competitiveness of Indonesian three leading commodities to ASEAN. This is a research benefit. Theoretical provide an add insight into knowledge about non-oil and gas competitiveness and its effect. Practical, a reference for stakeholders, especially in the government, in assessing export competitiveness and implementing policies. This is a supporting theory. International trade is the exchange of goods and services between citizens of different countries based on mutual agreement. There are two theories of absolute advantage and comparative advantage. Next is competitiveness. Its relative comparative advantage, or RCA, displays the relative concentration in one or more specific commodities or sectors. And export of three leading commodities is commodities coal, palm oil, hydrogenated animal fats and oil, commodity power products. For gravity model, influenced by economic distance and GDP for influence. So this is economic distance. Analysis using the gravity model for calculation show a strong negative effect of distance on international trade. Exchange rate, foreign currency is used to denote a list of price in one country expressed in another country's currency. Local currency, use of local currency in the trade transaction process. For relevant research, Farda Zaida Majid, real export GDP per capita and exchange rate variable have a positive and significant effect. Furthermore, economic distance has a negative and significant effect. This is a theoretical framework. Each country has difference that cause fulfillment limitation. Abundant product is a export and high income is import. So, inland oil and gas export, Indonesia has three leading commodities that contribute, namely mineral fuels, animal or vegetable fats and oils, iron and steel. Obstacles such a contribution in the ASEAN market that cannot be said to be superior, low competitiveness, and fluctuation in Indonesian export volume. It is necessary to analyze the competitiveness of Indonesian leading commodity export to ASEAN by looking at the factor involved in the research. This is a research hypothesis. Indonesia has competitiveness in the export. Two, there is influence between economic distance and export competitiveness of Indonesia. Three, there is influence between the exchange rate and the export competitiveness of Indonesia. Four, there is an influence between local currency on the export competitiveness of Indonesia. This is a research method for a unit of analysis, analyzing the export competitiveness of three leading commodities by looking at the magnitude of the influence-related variable, population. For the population in this study are ASEAN countries, sample, use probability sampling for positive sampling technique, namely ASEAN 5, data collection technique using UN contract World Bank website. This is a research method. For research method, research variable, export competitiveness, economic distance, exchange rate, and local currency. Type of panel data approach is common effect model, fixed effect model, and random effect model. Approach selecting test by short test, Hausman test, language multiplier test. For classical assumption is the two tests, namely heteroscedasticity, multicollinearity. For hypothesis testing is t-test, partially test the independent variable has an influence on the dependent variable. For FTS, simultan test the independent variable has an influence on the dependent variable. Arquadrat test, the extent to which the variation in the dependent variable can affect its variation is estimated by the coefficient of determination. For discussion about data, for RCA, commodity 27 minimum value of in the two country is the country Singapore in 2022, maximum value in Thailand 2005. For commodities 14 is minimum value is Thailand 2008. For maximum is Malaysia 2004. Commodity next is minimum value country Philippines for 2019 and maximum value in Malaysia 2020. For economic distance, Parhas is Philippines 2019 versus is Singapore 2003. For exchange rate, highest is Philippines 2008, lowest is Singapore 2020. For local currency, before implementation is 0, after implementation is 1. Okay, this is a panel data approach test about the shell test, Hausman test, and language multiplier test. Mineral fuels commodities is gas fixed effect model. Animal or vegetable fats and oils commodities is fixed effect model. Iron and steel commodities best choice is common effect model. This is classical assumption test. The data does not cross the limit 500 and minus 500. It can be interpretation that there are no symptoms of heteroscedasticity. Next is multicollinearity. The variance inflation factor, or FVI, value is smaller than 10. It can be concluded that the panel data regression equation does not have multicollinearity problems. This is for hypothesis. Uji T results. This is of commodities, mineral fuels, or 27 is economic decline, significant negative, real price is significant positive, and local currency not significant. For commodities, animal or vegetable fats oil is economic decline is significant negative, real price significant positive, local currency not significant. For commodities iron and steel, economic decline is significant negative, real price is not significant, local currency significant positive. For if test, commodities mineral fuels, animal or vegetable fats and oil, iron and steel have F count, bigger F table, and probability F statistic smaller than alpha 5% is, so it can be concluded that the variables of economic distance, exchange rate, local currency have a joint influence on the export competitiveness of Indonesian three leading commodities to ASEAN. Next is coefficient determination. For coefficient determination, commodities mineral fuels able to explain the variable competitiveness of Indonesia by 80%, and animal or vegetable fats and oils commodity able to explain Indonesian competitiveness variable by 37%. Commodities iron and steel are able to explain Indonesian competitiveness variable by 42%. Let's see about discussion about FCL. For commodities, mineral fuels, Indonesia has a comparative advantage mineral fuel commodities in ASEAN 5 countries. This is indicated by the value of FCL calculation results always above 1. The most potential country with the highest average in the observation rate in the observation is Thailand. Next is Philippines, Malaysia, and the last place is Singapore. Next, discussion about the RCF, commodities, animal or vegetable fats, and oil. Based on the calculation result, it can be concluded that Indonesia has a comparative advantage for animal or vegetable fats and oil commodities. This is indicated by the result of LCR always above 1 in Malaysia, Philippines, and Singapore. In contrast, Thailand was a weak level of competitiveness indicated by the RCR value below 1. The most potential countries with the highest average is Malaysia, followed by Singapore, Philippines, and Thailand. Next, discussion about FCR commodities iron and steel. The export of iron and steel commodities did not have competitiveness in ASEAN countries, but along with the demand and supply that occurred managed to make these commodities competitive. The average value of RCA in the observation year is more than 1. The most potential country with the highest to lowest average are Malaysia, Singapore, Philippines, and Thailand. Next is variable effect. First, economic distance have a negative and significant effect every increase in economic distance competitiveness of Indonesian leading commodity export with ASEAN 5 country will be decreased. The exchange rate variable has a positive and significant effect on the export competitiveness of mineral fuel commodities, animal or vegetable fats and oils in accordance with Mankil theory. And next, the real exchange rate variable does not significant affect the export competitiveness of iron and steel commodities. This is based on the fact that exchange rate is not included in the main factor in increasing the competitiveness of manufacturing export. Next, the local currency variable has a positive and significant effect on the export competitiveness of Indonesian iron and steel commodities, namely making Indonesian competitiveness greater than 5%. The local currency variable has no significant effect on the export competitiveness of mineral fuel commodities, animal or vegetable fats, and oil. This is characterized by the challenges to exist in the local currency implementation mechanism. Conclusion. The export competitiveness of Indonesian three leading commodities basically has competitive and average above 1. However, in certain years there are still RCF values below 1. The economic distance variable has a negative and significant influence on the export competitiveness of Indonesian three leading commodities. The exchange rate variable has a positive and significant influence on the export competitiveness of Indonesian mineral fuels commodity, animal or vegetable fats and oil. However, there are different results on the other commodities. The exchange rate variable does not have a significant effect on the competitiveness of iron and steel export. The local currency variable has a positive and significant influence on the export competitiveness of Indonesian iron and steel commodities. However, there are different results on other commodities, namely the local currency variable has no influence on the competitiveness of Indonesian mineral oil, animal or vegetable fats, and oil exports. Thanks. That's all, and thank you for everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.